Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral such that angle D equals to 90 degree. A circle with a center O and radius R touches the sides AB, BC, CD and DA at P, Q, R and S respectively. If BC equals to 54 cm, CD equals to 39 cm and BP equals to 44 cm, find R. Here we have given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Here A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral and circle touches that quadrilateral R, S, P, Q, O is the center. Let us join this OR and OS. Now here the tangents to the circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point, that is OR is perpendicular to DC and OS is perpendicular to DA. Therefore, angle DRO, angle OSD are 90 degree because OR is perpendicular to DC and OS is perpendicular to DA. We have given that angle D equals to 90 degree. Also, OR equals to OS. Therefore, ORGS is a square. Since the tangents from an exterior point to a circle are equal in length, therefore BP equals to BQ, CQ equals to CR and DR equals to DS. Tangents from an exterior point are point to the circle are equal in length. Now, BP equals to BQ. So, BQ equals to 44 centimeters because BP is given by 44 centimeters. BC minus CQ equals to, because BQ equals to BC minus CQ. So, as BC is given by 54 minus CQ equals to 44. So, CQ will be 54 centimeters. So, CQ will be 54 minus 44 means 10 centimeters. So, here CR equals to 10 centimeters because CR equals to CQ. CR is CD minus DR. CD is given by 39 centimeters. So, CD is 39 centimeters. So, DR will be 39 minus 10 means 29 centimeter. But ORDS is a square. So, OR equals to DR equals to 29 centimeter. So, R is 29 centimeter. Hence, R is 29 centimeters.